Hi everyone, Adam here from Future Set Mortgage Broking. Hope you're doing well. Happy Friday. Again, the rain is back. I'm a bit wet, but I've got myself a coffee and I'm in the car. But we're still here to deliver on a Friday your mortgage tips. So each week we try to debunk some of the myths and explain some of the jargon in mortgages and property finance. And today we're talking about interest rates versus assessment rates. Now, if you don't know what an assessment rate is, basically when you apply for an application with a lender, they're going to look for your service. Can you service the loan? Well, what they do is they take the interest rate, say the interest rate for argument's sake is 2.5%. They add another 2.5 or 3% to that number and assess you at that rate. So let's say you see a rate at say 2.5%. We're going to add 3% to that. So the lender's going to assess you at 5.5%. So obviously repayments at 5.5% are much harder to pay than 2.5%. So the reason the lenders do that is to add in buffer. So if interest rates change, can you still afford the repayments at these higher levels? So it's really important that when you're going online yourself and looking at rates on these online calculators and stuff, you see these rates at maybe 2.5%, 2%, whatever it might be. And in reality, you might think, oh, look, I can afford that. I can definitely go and purchase a property, and then you start your property search. But really what you should do is start off with going to your mortgage broker, get an assessment done, and seeing what you can actually service, because servicing with a lender is different to what you actually pay in the real world. So it's a real key tip there. So my advice is always don't start your property journey by doing online calcs and then looking for properties, maybe signing an exchange of contract and putting your heart and soul into a particular property that you want to go and buy. Start with your finances first. Make sure you know what you can service, because it will save you huge amounts of disappointment if, for argument's sake, you can't service later on when you've found that property. Again, if I've not explained that clearly enough, feel free to use the link below, book a time for a chat with me. We can discuss it in a bit more detail, discuss how it might apply to your situation. Again, if you're interested in talking about buying property, refinancing, consolidating debts, feel free to book a time for a chat. For now though, happy Friday, enjoy your weekend, try and stay out the rain, and I'll speak to you again soon.